Hey, to change app opening animation on the Redmi 13, first of all, you will have to go into the settings. Now you will have to go for About Phone, then go for the OS version and keep tapping until you enable the developer options. So if you didn't actually enable them previously, you will have to input your screen lock, and then you have to go back, then scroll all the way down, select additional settings. Now you will have to scroll all the way down and select developer options. Right now, when we are in the developer options, we have to keep scrolling until we find animation speed. So we are almost here. There we go. There's the animation scale. So go everything for off or 0.5 if you want to speed up your animation, open of apps and other things. So as you can see, that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.